Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to explore Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza's cabin air filter. We all know that the car manufacturers recommend to replace this cabin air filter after 30,000 kilometers. But Smart Drive will suggest you to clean this cabin air filter after every 2 months. In this episode, we will explore how you can clean this at your home with the any air blower or compressor. After that, we will find that animation which will make this all filtration process work, and this will make our cleaning much effective. Please stay tuned. The roads already contain too much dirt, and especially the off-roaders get a lots of dirt intake from the air, and it gets captured in the cabin air filter. We have pollen, bacteria, dirt and fine dust. Somehow we have odors and moisture as well. So filter needs to clean these all. With the help of animation, we will see how the cabin air filter works. You will find the filter paper with the zigzag pattern, and the filter paper is specially designed to capture all the particles or infiltrates to get the clean air inside the car. All the dirt is captured on the upper side of the filter. Please note this carefully. As you can clearly see that the filter gets deteriorated over the time after the hefty use, and you need to change it. Car manufacturers always suggest to replace this after every 30,000 kilometers, but frequent cleaning is highly recommended to get the pure air every time. Let's jump into the car and get the glow box open right now. You need some force to unlock this knob, and as you can clearly see, it is supported and pivoted by two support locks. After that, we will find that there are two selective knobs available here, and the air filter is hidden inside this. Please note that two spikes are on the downside and the strip is on the upper side. Now you need to pinch the white air filter. In case you are not able to get it, you can use specific tool, and here you see that the dirt is deposited on the upper side of the filter. So we need to clean this very properly. Unless and until we clean this, we will not have clean and fresh air inside the car. Please note that the upper side we have already discussed in the animation, and note this while replacing the filter once again in the cabin. Moving forward, we have air blower compressor here, and you can use any vacuum cleaner or any leaf blower available with you, and you can clean this by up and down side, vice versa, to make this filter clean. And now we have cleaned this filter. Please make sure that the upside is written over there and you are keeping it in the right direction. I will slide in this compartment. Okay, done. Now it's time to close the cap. As we already discussed, spikes on the downside. Please make use of both hands. In case you are not keeping this cap properly, you will find the creepy air noise while AC operations. Now we'll see how you can adjust the glow box. You can clearly see this socket will go into this. So match them first, attach to both simultaneously. It's attached right now, and now you have to forcefully get this lock behind this plastic. So this is quite tedious and forceful work to do. Make sure that you are not breaking anything while doing this thing. It is quite simple, but you have to push hard a little bit. Don't worry, this is quite stronger plastic, but still be careful. Now it's done, and you can see the glow box is operating normally. This was the quick video regarding the cabin air filter cleaning. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.